Hello everyone, it's Bernina Jeff, also known as SoTech Jeff. I'm a Bernina dealer in Grand Junction, Colorado. I'm not an employee of Bernina of America, and I have a quick video today on firmware updates. There is going to be a firmware update, but not released to the public. This firmware update's only for technical reasons, and I want to make sure that doesn't get out on Facebook, on the internet, that everybody rushes to have a new update. So I'm going to show you what the update number on your machine should be, and that update number should be this number right here. It's for the 790, 770, 765, 740, 735, 720, and 700. It should be 39.08.08. And to confirm that on your machine, I'm going to show you how to do that. So we have our large screen 770 QE Plus here. We're going to go over on the right-hand side and touch your settings. Those are the two sprockets or gears. And then from there, we are going to go into the menu that looks like a sewing machine. And from there, you're going to go into the circle with the small I. So that's information. And from there, you see three menu options. The V1.0 is the menu to open to see your information about your machine. So we're going to push that. So right on the very top line, it says software version, Bernina 770 Plus, V39.08.08. That is the most current version that consumers should have on their machine. If you see a number that is .09, that's one that the factory put in, and you have one of the very newest versions, but it's not going to make a single bit of difference. I actually looked up the two versions. The only difference is what they call a bootloader. And when they change the chip inside here for future machines, the bootloader needs a different software to work off of. So that's the whole reason. So for all your 7 series that I just gave you, it should be the 39.08.08. If you have a 780, 750, or 710, the most current version is 35.13.19. And Bernina is promising a newer version of that, so it will include the new free arm and square clamp hoops. And they are working on that. It is on their list to do. I probably foresee it maybe next November or December of 2023. So when that comes out, I will give you information on that. So your machines will be possible to use those new hoops. So this has been Bernina Jeff. This is what the firmware update chart looks like from Bernina. So it's 10 pages of all the different updates and how to do it. So this is a technical document for technicians only. So we use that to make sure that all the machines that come in here for a service get the most current software installed. So thank you very much. Now, if you wish to purchase an update stick, because it's kind of a hard process to get a small capacity USB stick, format it to FAT32, and then download and extract all the files and make sure it's correct to do the update yourself, you can buy those from me on my Shopify account, and that's bernina-jeff.myshopify.com, or you can call up the shop and we can handle the purchase that way. You can check out my website for additional information, which is www.hifashiongjj.com, or give us a call at 970-256-1293. And call us after 9:30 Mountain Time. Thank you very much.